everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll show you how to use Google Sheets online easily and effectively by using the shortcut methods. This is part 1 for shortcut methods in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your Google Sheet through the browser. I have an old document. This is a table that I made. I'm using this to show you how the shortcuts work on the sheet. So we'll start off with the basic ones. As everybody knows, when we click Ctrl+S, the whole documents will be saved automatically, and you don't need to go to the file and do all the procedure after that. So the first shortcut is Ctrl+S to save the whole document automatically. Now the second option is Ctrl+P to print the document. So when we click on Ctrl+P, we'll see the screen, and this is the page where we have to select. You can directly select print and set up the page style and format it, and after that click on next tab. And if your device is connected to the printer, it'll automatically print the whole document. We're not doing it right now, so I'll just cancel it out for now. Now the third is to go to the top left. So for example, there are times when you're working on the sheets and this is only 147, but then you go on to see 200 records and more. So when you are at the bottom of the page and you suddenly want to go at the top, so what you'll do is just click on Ctrl+Home. And as you can see, the active head has already reached at the top left of this page, which makes it easier for you to work. So when you're working at the bottom, you can easily go directly to the top rather than scrolling, rather than clicking or doing and taking up the hassle of it. So the third was Ctrl+Home. Now let's get on to the fourth one. So now when you're working at the top, and if you want to go to the bottom of the page, you'll just click on Control and. So for example, you're here and you want to go to the bottom, so we'll just do Ctrl+N and you'll directly reach at the bottom of the page. Now to get back to the top of the page, just do Control+Home, and that's it, easy peasy. So after the fourth method, after the fourth shortcut, which was Ctrl+N, let's get on to the fifth one. This is basically an alternative of the last shortcut. So if you're here and you want to go at the bottom of this specific column, just click on Ctrl+Downward tab and you'll automatically be down at this specific column. So this is a mini method under the Ctrl+End method, where you can directly go to the specific column, bottom of the specific column. So for example, you are here and you want to go to the last name of the mentee. So you just do Ctrl+Downward arrow, and likewise you'll reach at the end page, but this specific column, so that you can make changes directly at the place you want to. By this method, we can repeat the same method in a different way to go at the top of it. So let's select this phone number and click on Ctrl+Upward arrow. So when you do that, you'll directly be led to the top of the specific column, so that you can make the changes on this specific column directly by these shortcuts. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.